If an employee's attendance details are missing due to mispunch or any other reason, then you can correct those records in the attendance module, or you can overwrite the Paydays directly within the payroll module. There are two ways to do this. You can manually overwrite the Paydays in the system, or you can import the Paydays using an Excel sheet. You can overwrite the Paydays manually after processing the salaries. If you prefer to overwrite the days before processing the payroll, then you need to do it using an Excel sheet. To process the salary and overwrite Paydays manually, go to Payroll, Salary Transaction, and then Process Payroll. Select the month for which you want to process the salary and then click on Quick Process. If you want to process the salary for a specific employee, then you can use the filter options. Once the salary is processed, go to Earn Salary window. Select the month and the salary structure. And here, select that employee and right click on the entry to overwrite the Paydays. You will see two options, overwrite Paydays and delete overwrite Paydays. Click on overwrite. Enter the number of days for which the salary should be calculated and then click on overwrite. Once the Paydays are updated, the system will recalculate the salary based on the updated days. To update the Paydays for multiple employees using Excel sheet, go to Payroll, Import from Excel. Select the template as Import Employee Paydays. Click on File Format to download the template. In the Excel sheet, update the following details: employee code, employee final payable days. The system will calculate the salary based on these days only, and update the present count, absent count, and other details here. Once the file is ready, return to the same window to import it. Here, select the month for which you want to import the data. Choose the Excel file and then click on Import. After importing the Paydays, proceed to run the payroll and generate the necessary salary reports.